Hey everyone, Ziggy's Adventures here. With my previous Olight purchase, I got gifted a i3E EOS small LED flashlight keychain one. Let's open it up and have a look. I'm going to rip off properly. There we go, it's better. The instruction manual in the back there. Got to read me first. What does it say there? It says, for first use, unscrew the light head, remove the insulation film and light head before putting the light head back on. Okay. Let's have a look at it first. Very interesting feel to it. It's nice. It's very small, but it still has like that weight of like that it's going to be a heavy duty torch. A little attachment point here, obviously to put on your keychain or any other connections. Let's open this up. Something about removing the film. Okay, I see where it is inside here. There we go. That's removed. The other side's removed. Let's reconnect it. Whoa, wow. Jeez, that kind of gave me a bit of a surprise. That is a very bright keychain light. So obviously to turn it on, just a twist. Bang. Look at that. That's definitely going on my keychain. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channels.